Welcome. In the next minute, I'll show you how to take any Git stash and turn it into a brand new branch with a single command, so you never lose work again. Many of us use Git stash to pause work, but later we struggle to apply that stash back into a proper branch, ending up with a tangled history or lost changes. Git actually includes a built-in shortcut. The git stash branch command creates a new branch from the stash and checks it out in one step, eliminating extra manual steps. Let's see it in action. First, list your stashes with git stash list. Then run git stash branch my feature. Git will create the branch, apply the stash, and drop it automatically. Switch to the new branch and continue coding. A few best practices. Always inspect git stash list to pick the right entry. Give the new branch a descriptive name and resolve any merge conflicts immediately after the stash is applied. To recap, list your stash, run git stash branch name, verify the branch, and follow the best practice tips. If this saved you time, hit the like button, subscribe for more Git tricks, and share your questions below.